Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video. And just to say, today I've actually gone all out now. I've made my decision. I've decided to get a fresh one of these. Big up Ian Berry, mate, for supplying the HXC emulators. I've got a fresh HXC emulator sitting right here, and I've just got this because I just had to get my 950 working the way I've got my S3000 working up there. These HXC with a display are the next best thing. I can tell you now, I've used the SD card reader, what versions of these, the SD to SCSI, or sorry, compact flash to SCSI, I've used that. And although I like having the compact flash, this is pretty much an unlimited way of going about saving things. And the beautiful thing what I like about this is all of your disk names show up here. Yeah, they all show up here, and it works a treat once you've got it configured. The configuration can be a bit of a tricky one, but if you get it from my man Ian Berry on eBay, Ian Berry, I'll tell you, I'll put the link in the description to his eBay shop. He makes these, he configures this real quick. This one is, you can email him, ianberry@ntlworld.com. These flash drives here, yeah, are the business. Yeah, you literally have 1,000 floppy disks. Actually, I think you've got unlimited floppy disks because they're not. These are not numbered, so you've got unlimited floppy disks. And if you need blank floppy disks to save on, you just create a blank formatted disk, which I've got one already made up into extract it on OmniFlop, or you can just get an image that's already made and just duplicate it as many times as you need blank disks, and you could just save and save and save as much as you want to save on it. So it's like having unlimited disks with this thing, I'm telling you. And all of your ROMs that you get, you can just literally put them in here, converted from image files to HXC files. And this thing works a treat. So this is the way to go, people, for me, for Akai. And I'm going to end up with my final machine with my SD card reader, with my floppy drive, so I can just store things on there pretty much permanent. But this thing here is going to be eventually replaced by my normal version one, which is the index version that I've got, which I showed you in my previous video. But as you can see, I've already started up there. I've got one here, I've got another one here which is for the Amiga, but with a couple of jumper changes at the back. Literally, I just got to move this to Shugguard mode, which is S0 on the jumpers. You can just about see it in there, but it works perfectly, man. These things are just the business. So my next plan, like I said in my previous video, I'm going to pop this in here like that, bang, and I'm going to update the EEPROM, and this Akai should be good to go. Then once I've done that, I've been looking at some Akai options. Sorry, I've been looking at some Mackie mixing desk options, because my Mackie mixing desk is knackered. I'm thinking about buying an up-to-date Mackie mixing desk. I don't know what it's going to sound like. Comment down below if you've got a little Mackie mixing desk, or I might look out for, you know, comment down below if you've got a up-to-date Mackie mixing desk that works nice, that you could recommend to me and the masses. Also, this one's got its USB thumb drive with it, so I'm going to check out, see what it put on there for the Amiga, because this is configured to work out the box with Atari and also Amiga. So man, HXC is the way to go, man. Floppy disks are old, a lot of them are worn out now. It's getting harder and harder to get floppy disks. Yeah guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. Take care, God bless, peace.